Honorable Barrister Victor Owokolo. The subject matter of his announcement is resignation of my membership from the People's Democratic Party. And the message reads as follows. This is to formally notify you of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC. My resignation is as a result of the unresolved disputes at the national headquarters as well as the South-South zone of the party. This takes immediate effect from Wednesday, 30th April 2025. Please accept the assurances of my sincere regards. Signed, Right Honorable Barrister Victor Owokolo. I also have another announcement this time around. I'm sure Honorable Victor is Honorable Victor around? He's not on the floor. Okay. I have another announcement coming from Honorable Julius G. Pondi. The subject matter of this announcement is notification of defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC. And his message reads as follows. I write to formally notify the Honorable House of my decision to resign my membership of the People's Democratic Party PDP and to henceforth align myself with the All Progressive Congress APC. This decision has become imperative following the unresolved and deepening division within the PDP's leadership structure, both at the national and zonal levels. The party's internal crisis has not only weakened its cohesion, but has also severely hampered its capacity to effectively represent the interests and aspirations of my constituents in Burutu Federal. After extensive consultation with my constituents, supporters, political associates, and key stakeholders, I have concluded that continued membership in the PDP no longer serves the best interests of the people I represent. Consequently, I have decided to join the All Progressive Congress APC, a platform I believe offers a more stable and progressive environment to continue my legislative duties. I wish to assure you, Mr. Speaker, and the honorable members of this House of my continued commitment to the legislative mandate entrusted to me by the good people of Burutu Federal Constituency. Kindly accept the assurances of my highest regards. Yours faithfully, signed, Right Honorable Pondi Julius Babojo, member representing Burutu Federal Constituency of Delta State. Is Honorable Pondi on the floor? Please, can you stand up for recognition? Honorable colleagues, our newest member of APC from PDP. Congratulations. Again, honorable colleagues, I have another announcement. This time coming from Honorable Thomas Erietoni. The subject matter of the announcement is notice of defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC. His message reads as follows. I hereby formally bring to your notice my defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. After due consultation with leaders, stakeholders, and people of my constituency. This action is predicated upon the lingering division and factionalization bedeviling the People's Democratic Party, which sponsored my election into the House of Representatives, and its inability to provide appropriate leadership, particularly at the national level. This communication, sir, is made pursuant to Section 40 and Section 68 subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. For your information, guidance, and records, please. Please accept the assurances of my esteemed regards. Signed, Right Honorable Thomas Erietomi. Is High Chief around? Please, can you stand up for recognition? Honorable colleagues, the newest member of APC in the House. Congratulations, my brother. Again, honorable colleagues, another announcement. Again, I hope the leader of the opposition is listening. Another announcement. This announcement is coming from no one other than the oldest member of the Parliament of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The only member who has been in the House of Representatives unbroken, back to back, since 1999. And that party is no other than Honorable Mutu Nicholas Obomo. And his message today to the House is on notice of defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress, APC. His message is as follows. I write to formally notify this Honorable House of my defection from the People's Democratic Party